All right, congratulations on wanting to start an LLC in Arkansas. I am going to walk you through these steps of exactly how you register your LLC in Arkansas. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to the Secretary of State for Arkansas, and it's just sos.arkansas.gov. So that takes you to this page. And what you're going to do is you're going to go to Business Services, click on New Business, and then from here, you're going to want to do File Your New Entity Online. So you're just going to click here, and it's going to take you to this page. What's going on here? Tons of information, can be a little bit overwhelming, but I'll show you which one to click on. So you're doing a domestic LLC. So you're just going to go down to domestic LLC, certificate of organization for domestic LLC. So you just click on that, and then you're going to start the form. Now, I actually really like Arkansas's website. This is really straightforward. There are some states with the most insane websites to try and start an LLC. I've started multiple LLCs in multiple states and never done one in Arkansas, but very easy, very easy to fill out. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is you need to come up with a name, right? And I hope by this point you've already come up with a name. You've already made sure that name is available in your state. Very important. The thing you need to know about a name too is it has to be the name. So let's say it's Billy's Lawn Care. It has to be Billy's Lawn Care LLC. It has to be all together. So the other thing you want to think about too, when you're selecting a name, make sure that the name is available for a website. Obviously, you have to have a website if you want to have a business. So make sure that Billy's Lawn Care LLC.com is available. Do some research, whatever name you're looking at, make sure it's available. But I'm assuming you already did all that. You're a smart person. So what you're going to do is you're going to put in your name. I'm going to type in Billy's Lawn Care. I'm going to do this kind of weird, so I don't have to worry about someone already having this name. Now, for full disclosure, this is for educational purposes. I'm not going to hit submit because I don't want to have to pay for an LLC that I'm never going to use. So Billy's Lawn Care LLC, we have that there. You're going to scroll down, the principal information, all this is going to be your information. Now, the only difference is really going to be if you're starting your LLC and you're working from home, it's all going to be your home address. Now, the difference is if you have an office or like a workshop and you have that address and that's where you want all the mail from Arkansas to go to for your business, then you'll put that information here. I would say most people are probably going to do it from home. So you're going to put all your information here for your home. I'm not going to make you watch me fill this part out. So I'll do it through magic. All right. Now that you have all your information put in for your principal information, you're going to go down to registered agent. The first time I set up an LLC, registered agent threw me off. I thought it was like an official thing that you had to have like a degree for to be a registered agent. All the registered agent means is the registered agent is the person who is responsible for receiving all of the business documents, legal documents, notices, anything from your state. So who is that? It is you. You are the registered agent. You're going to put yourself. So you're not going to put a business name. You're just going to put your name. So I'll fill this part out as well real quick, and then we'll get to the next section. All right, now that you have your registered agent information submitted, now you're going to go to the organizer and officer. Again, with filling out LLCs, you're just going to be putting in your name and address and email address multiple times. You're going to be the organizer / officer. So you're going to put all your information in here as well. And then once you have that all in there, you're going to hit save officer. So put in all that information, make sure it's all correct, hit save officer. I'm going to do that now. All right, now that you put in all that information and you hit save officer, you're going to see that information is right here. Now, if you need to edit it, you can edit it right there and change anything that you need to change, but you should be good to go. You're going to go down to the next part, which is submitter contact information. Again, this is going to be you. So you're going to put all of your information in again. I kind of wish they would put a button where it just said use the information from above, below, but whatever. Put in all your information here again. All right, for this next section for annual report contact information, again, surprise, I bet you could have guessed it. It is going to be you again. Now, the annual report, what it is every year, it'll be a year from when you submit this. All right, this next section is annual report contact information. And as you could probably guess, it is going to be you as well. The annual report is something that the state is going to send you every year. So once your LLC is confirmed by your state, every year they're going to send you an email and maybe a mail as well. Normally it's just an email saying, hey, just want to make sure all the information for your LLC is still correct, still the same address, still the same registered agent, still the same same everything. It's really quick. It's usually just a yes, 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 and you're done. So for this, it's just asking you, who are we sending this annual report to every year? It's going to be you. So I'll fill this information out and then we'll go to the next section too. All right, now at the end of the annual report contact information section, you're gonna do your signature. Obviously, it's going to be your name. And then it's just saying that you are agreeing that the franchise taxes are due by May 1st. I don't know exactly how much that is. I'm sure that'll let you know towards when it comes up. Typically, it varies per state. Some states, it's $50 to register an LLC. Some states, it's $800. I'm going to guess that Arkansas is on that lower amount, but you'll put that in and then you have the agreement. You're just saying all this information is correct. You're going to do your signature and then you're going to hit submit. And then it's going to take you to the payment page. So you're going to go to your payment page. You're going to pay the fees, whatever it costs to submit this. When I was reading earlier about Arkansas, it was saying there's a lot of people submitting LLCs right now. And so it says the processing time for this is about 3 to 7 business days. It will send you a confirmation email letting you know that they did receive it and that they're going to be processing it. Now, if there's any questions that they have while they're processing it, they'll let you know, but you have double and triple checked all of this information, making sure it's all correct. You want to check all that before you hit submit. A lot of states will charge you extra money if you want to go in and change anything. So just make sure everything's correct, hit submit, and then you should be good to go. And then you will receive your articles of incorporation. That's very important. You want to obviously hang on to those. But what is important about that is you need your articles of incorporation for multiple things. One of the things you need it for is setting up your business bank account. But before you can even do that, it's important you have to have your articles of incorporation to get your EIN from the government. And the EIN is your employer identification number. That is your social security number for your business. And it's really easy to get those. I'm going to put a link down below that's going to take you to a video on how to do this. Now, the interesting thing about all this is there are companies out there that will charge you hundreds of dollars to do what we just did and that what I just did for you for free. They will also charge you hundreds of dollars to set up your EIN, which is even easier than setting up an LLC. Click on the link below. Go check that out. It'll take you to the video on how to do all of that. Not only that, we do have a business package that's there that has all of the different types of documents you're going to need for your business. How are you going to hire someone? How are you going to make a non-compete? How do you do a non-disclosure agreement? How do you fire people? How do you hire people? How do you market your business? On our website, we have all the information that you need at a flat fee. A lot of the other businesses, almost all the other companies that do this, they charge you an annual fee. And they keep the documents. You don't get to keep them. We give you over 30 business documents that are customizable for you. You go in, you change it to all of your own information, and you have it all. This is all the documents that I've curated over the past 15 years of running multiple successful businesses. And they're all right there for a one-time purchase. It's going to save you hours and headache of trying to figure it out all on your own. Not only that, we have a bunch of different videos on ways to build your business. These videos are all free and they go over how to market your business online. You know, how do you get on top of the Google search results? How do you deal with angry customers? How do you deal with customers when they give you a bad review? How do you deal with angry employees? There's just tons of information that I wish I would have known and would have saved me lots of time and money when I was starting out. I wish I would have known all this. It is a very, very reasonably priced packet that we offer for you as a new entrepreneur. The whole purpose of the business that I created is to empower entrepreneurs to grow and scale their business as effectively and efficiently as possible. That's the only reason I started this business. I love helping other entrepreneurs build their businesses. So what we've created a community of entrepreneurs that are just like you, that want to get out of the corporate grind, start something on their own, build it, and have something that you can build for you, your kids, your family, your friends, whoever, that you can have and be proud of. So go click on the link below, check out all the other information that we have. It is tailored to build your business. So go check that out and let's get your business growing.